That's right. Shout out Varun. YouTube seems to be nonstop scam ads. That's coming via Elon as well. And then everyone went, you need to buy YouTube as well.
Of course.
Because Elon should buy everything.
That's what it is.
Hashtag Elon buy anything you have the slightest problem with. Elon, please buy that. It's like as if fixing it wouldn't be hard to do anyway. Creating business models, all the other stuff that has to come with it. You can't just you don't buy it and then it's fixed. It's work, a lot of work, and then you're still trying to make these cars so that Mo can cash in on his investment at some point in his life. Stop losing money. By buying things at their peak. This is your financial advisor over here.
I buy at peak.
He buys high and sells low.
It's a great strategy.
It's like perfect.
Try it
You know what? That should be another merch we do. It should be Mo's shirt, but it says buy high, sell low.
With the thumbs up.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah. Well, we were talking about YouTube ads before where you would have premium, but your kids wouldn't. But they wouldn't mind watching the ads.
Oh, you're talking about me personally?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they would just, like, I'd be like, you're not even logged in. Like, what's the problem? And they'd be like, oh, I didn't even notice. I'm like, what? You didn't
Outraged.
You didn't even notice.
But have you watched any of the ads recently? Are they more scammy?
My God. I don't know. They were telling me that they saw an ad with me in it that definitely I didn't know about. Somebody re-edited something. So there's that.
Well, when you got a few thousand hours of footage on the internet.
Yeah. They're like, Dad, that's you. I'm like, you don't normally talk like that.
It's just a robotic voice.
Yeah. The scams have got to you.
Yeah.
So, yes, obviously there's YouTube Premium, which I talk about all the time, and we all talk about all the time. And people think is funny in the top tweets. But I presume that's not what he means, because on principle, I guess he doesn't want to pay it, or maybe he wants to see the service the way it is. I would imagine if I was him and I was currently in the process of spending billions of dollars on a social media platform, I might want to watch some other social media platforms the way that they're viewed by a bunch of other people. Like, my comment on YouTube ads shouldn't be, I shouldn't neglect to have one based on the fact that I personally have premium. Do you know what I'm saying here, Mo? Like, in a weird way, the fact that we're constantly using premium, we don't know what's going on in the world, in a way.
Right.
There's a bit of a blind spot as to what is being consumed, what the exposure looks like for the vast majority of people who don't have premium.
The average user, yeah.
Not to say that I don't recommend premium. I think it's actually a better interaction between a content creator and a content consumer. I think
totally
it's a much more direct relationship. Same with super chats that show up in the chat when we do the live show. It's so direct.
Right.
We all know that there's cuts and pieces being taken by others. That's fine. Take your fees. You provide the website. But actually, there's no third party. It's the two, the service and the creator.
Yeah.
The third one gets involved. Things get a little bit more slippery at times. But also, I'm very careful how I talk about YouTube, because my entire career path depended on that partnership program. It depended on opportunity to allow third parties to advertise on my videos, which then allowed me to spend time investing in my channel, Unbox Therapy, which led us this whole way here. And YouTube was one of the first to do it, where other platforms still don't really have robust monetization options. That still is a thing. So that said, there's definitely plenty of scams on YouTube, both in the comment section and in the ads themselves, and certainly in the contextual ads, accompanying ads, not even necessarily pre-roll. And then I guess you could call them scam ads in the comments, because they all want to get you to do something, whatever the scammer wants.
Yeah.
Go to this WhatsApp or Telegram. It's always the same.
Yeah. Is it like the I look at these checks I've made from Audible or whatever. Let me teach you how to make money. Is that what he's talking about? As far as like YouTube scam ads?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's crypto as well.
You know what? I mean, it's also just he tweets in such a way that it could just be like one.
Yeah, one. Like a Ty Lopez type ad. And he's like...
Just one.
Yeah.
Just one. And he's like, okay.
Just
and he puts
caught
the
him on a
tweet.
bad day.
He's like, I need to go get 600,000 likes right now. I'm going to put together a few characters and call it a day. And also, when you identify something that other people have experienced,
It's very relatable.
Social media rocket ship.
Yes.
Just say a thing everyone has experienced before.
Yeah,
right.
Don't you hate it when? And everyone's like, don't you hate it? It's so relatable.
Yeah.
Is that Elon?
My favorite was
No, it's not him. It's everybody else. Like, he knows what he's doing, obviously. So, what is a meme, right? What is a meme? What is a joke? What is a... You need to have a level of understanding there. And when you can very quickly know where somebody's coming from, well, guess what? Now you have virality. Now you have sharing. Aww. All the above. Every emoji you can imagine. All those sort of quick, knee-jerk human emotions. Mm-hmm. Share, 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 retweet, share, 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 retweet, share, 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 retweet.
Yeah.
He's on top of that. Mm-hmm. He knows how to do that. We have plenty of evidence he knows how to do that. That's what he's doing first and foremost. Everything else is just subject matter. Everything else is just ones and zeros, as far as Elon goes.